Good evening. A new partnership between a major grocer and insurance provider is raising concerns about competition and access to medication in this country.
Manulife announcing coverage of certain drugs will only apply at pharmacies owned by Loblaw, such as Shoppers Drug Mart. And this kind of deal is more common than you may think. CTV's Jackie Paris joins us now with the details. Jackie.
Patricia, these types of deals are common in the U.S., and there are more here in Canada. And it could affect not just the competition in the pharmacy industry, but accessibility for those who need the medication. When Mary Dixon Burke tried to get her regular medication from her local pharmacy last summer, she was surprised to learn about a major change. In order to still be covered for the drug, she had to change to a Sobeys or a Shoppers Drug Mart. If she didn't, she'd have to pay herself.
I didn't understand why I was being told where I would have to get my medication from.
More and more insurance companies and other large corporations are getting together on these deals. Manulife Loblaw is the latest.
It privileges the really big players. It means that the big franchises, the big networks of pharmacies, the big corporations like Loblaw's are going to succeed and win most of these contracts for preferred pharmacy deals. And as a consequence, your neighborhood pharmacy, the small regional chains, they're going to suffer.
And people like Mary face disruption.
No, forget it. I should be able to go wherever I want.
Under Manulife's new agreement, about 260 drugs meant to treat conditions like Crohn's, multiple sclerosis, and cancer will only be covered if filled at Loblaw-owned pharmacies like Shoppers.
The challenge with that is that it does limit choice, and it does, in some ways, interrupt continuity of care.
The Ontario Pharmacy Association says they're working with the Canadian Pharmacists Association to file a complaint with the Competition Bureau.
We want to make sure that there's open PPNs where any pharmacy can participate, and we would like to maintain the integrity of that trusted healthcare provider to patient relationship.
In a statement, Manulife says that they chose a single service provider in an effort to benefit our customers and their employees. Meanwhile, Loblaw says the company is confident the customer experience won't be affected. But remember Mary, she didn't have a choice. And for anyone who doesn't like Shoppers, for instance, well, they won't have a choice if they have to go with Loblaws and whether or not they like it. Graham.
All right, CTV's Jackie Paris live for us tonight. Thanks.